Look down at your feet. You feel like you are standing perfectly still. You are not. The Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles an hour, and it is orbiting the Sun at 67,000 miles an hour. But our Sun is not sitting still either. It is dragging us around the Milky Way galaxy at 500,000 miles an hour. Everything is moving. But in the 1970s, astronomers noticed something terrifying. The entire Milky Way galaxy itself is rushing through space at a mind-bending speed of 600 kilometers per second. But here is the horror. We are not just drifting, we are falling. Something is pulling us. Something so unbelievably massive that its gravity dominates our entire region of the universe. Scientists gave this monster a name: the Great Attractor. It sits 150 million light years away. So why don't we just look at it? Because of a terrifying coincidence. The Great Attractor is hiding. It sits exactly behind the center of our own Milky Way. A thick, impenetrable wall of gas, stars, and dust. Astronomers call this region the Zone of Avoidance. We are completely blind, being dragged into the dark. What could possess such terrifying power? It is not a supermassive black hole. A black hole is too small to pull us and 100,000 other galaxies. It needs the mass of tens of thousands of Milky Ways. Welcome to Laniakea, Hawaiian for immeasurable heaven. It is our local supercluster, and all of it is flowing like water down a cosmic drain. That drain is the Great Attractor. But humanity hates being blind. We built X-ray and radio telescopes to peek through the dust of the Zone of Avoidance. And what we saw was chaotic. A massive collision of galaxies called the Norma Cluster. For a moment, we thought we found the monster. We thought the Norma Cluster was pulling us. But then, astronomers did the math. The Norma Cluster is huge. but it is only 10% of the mass needed. 90% of the gravitational pull is still unaccounted for. There is something else. Even further in the dark sits the Shapley Supercluster, the largest concentration of galaxies in the local universe. It helps pull us, but it is still not enough. Most of the Great Attractor is made of dark matter. Completely invisible, completely untouchable. But what if we are wrong about everything? What if it is not natural? Think back to the Kardashev scale. A Type 3 civilization controls a galaxy. A Type 4 civilization controls the universe. What if the Great Attractor is not a cluster of rocks and gas? What if it is a machine? A cosmic furnace dragging 100,000 galaxies into its mouth to fuel itself, the apex predator of the cosmos. Or perhaps it is a tear in the fabric of reality. A wound in the universe that is leaking gravity. Whatever it is our final destination. But don't panic yet. Because there is one force stronger than the Great Attractor. Dark energy. The universe is expanding faster and faster. It is a tug of war. Gravity pulls us in. Dark energy pushes the universe apart. And dark energy is winning. We will never reach the Great Attractor. The expansion of space will save us. But salvation comes with a price. Eventually, every other galaxy will be pushed too far away to see. Our night sky will be completely pitch black. So, what is a worse fate? Being devoured by a monster in the dark? Or drifting alone forever? We are flowing into the unknown. Subscribe to Future Odyssey before the dark consumes us.